So let's say you want to print this giant Excel workbook. It's a very big workbook. That's like around one, two, three, four, five, six, seven columns. Click on File and you click on Print. But unfortunately, it displays only two columns. Which and when you click on portrait to change it to landscape orientation, it only adds one column, the contact column, with no grid lines. Like the cells are very empty. It looks like kinda not good. Let's first of all add the grid lines. You click on page layout, then authorize the grid lines and click on print. And let's review it. Nice looking. Now we have like a blueprint of what we'll be painting, but still it displays like three columns. You click scaling. Okay, first of all, let's change this to A4. Then click on scaling and try to put the sheet on one page. Click the sheet on one page. The sheet, all the content fits on one page, but the content becomes okay, the text becomes so small, so thin. The same with let's say clicking on fit all the rows in one page. It looks like nothing has happened, but because the rows can fit on one page. Assume there was so like thousands of rows, then the number of pages could be been added. Now let's try and fit all columns on one page. Wow, good looking. Now our columns, they're all in one page and we have, but the number of pages has increased from one page to three pages. Now we have like around three pages in total. Yeah, but we can try do some adjustments. It all depends on you. You can come right here at the right corner and click show margins. Now I have some show margins here, and when I click this arrow, it changes to a plus like arrow, and you would right click, I mean left click, hold, and then drag it to the left. You can see it alters the size of the row, now the size of the column. Then let's click on the other side and alter a little bit the right. You can see it's changing. You can alter your table, not only the border side but even the middle columns. You can adjust it. And guys, I want you to take a note at the size of the text, the size of the content inside. Whenever I try to decrease each column, you can note that a little bit the text are becoming wider. Let's try again. The text are becoming bigger. Let's try this row again. And if our table, okay, if we come to page number 3 and check here, you can see our content. It's kind of increasing. It's kind of increasing because the texts are becoming bigger. You can see the size is becoming smaller and smaller. Size, you can see we increase the size. Let's check if it's too much. See, you can see now our pages has increased to 4 pages. And you can do something else. You can remove the margin to fit, and you can come to page setup and you can click on the margin and click on top head. You can put this to 0, and when you click OK, you can see our margin has shifted to way top up, and again when you click go ahead to margin and bottom, you can put it to 0, and you can see our border come way to the bottom. That's how you can alter your table. And our you can see now the number of pages have shifted from 4 pages to 3 pages back again. And then when we go to the first page that's the same and our texts are a bit bigger. Now, if when you click print, it will print as it is right here. Now, guys, thank you guys for watching. If the video is so helpful, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and see you again. Thank you.